Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize wallpaper in iPhone. Now there are multiple ways to customize wallpaper. I am going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now in order to customize wallpaper, all you have to do is just simply go to notification center, tap and hold on the wallpaper like this. If you want to customize the current wallpaper, you can select customize. But if you want to change the wallpaper, simply tap on plus option and you can select from the default list of wallpaper, or else if you have wallpapers downloaded in your iPhone, then you can go to photos and you can select wallpaper from here. Now in my case, I have already created an album of wallpapers. So I can go to that album and from here I'm going to select one. So for example, if I select this particular wallpaper for now, this is how it will look like. You can always resize it, right? And you can arrange it however you like. Now once it is done, there is also an option to resize the time. So if you tap and hold over here, so this is how you can resize the time. Also, if you swipe towards left like this, you can switch between the filters. You can also select the color option over here and you can change the colors. But if you don't like it, you can always go back to natural. Now if you want to add widgets to wallpaper, you can select add widget option and you can select widget from the list. Now this is one way of customizing wallpaper. Now there is a special scene icon over here. So if you tap on it, it will generate special scene. Now what it does is, let me show you, it will kind of give you an 3D effect like this. So if you want this effect, or if you want basic 3D effect, you can always turn on the special scene option over here. If you don't want, you can turn it off. Also for some wallpapers, if you select this 3 dot option, you get an option of depth effect, which is not visible for this wallpaper right now. So I'm going to change the wallpaper. Let's select another one. So I have selected this particular wallpaper, and if I tap on 3 dot, now currently you can see it is showing me an option of depth effect. Currently it is on. So if I resize the time, you can see the time is going behind the specific character or the specific wallpaper. So basically this is again a 3D effect. If you want depth effect, make sure this is on. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. Once you turn it off, you can see now the time is in front of the character. So I want depth effect on, so I can get that 3D effect. Now again, this is another way of customization. Also you can apply filters over here. You can apply filters on any wallpaper you like. So there is no limitation over there. Now there is one more customization which you need to know, and that is, again, if you go to plus option, which is basically the new wallpaper section, you can select photo shuffle option over here, and over here you have to choose select photos manually. Again, go back to that particular folder if you have created, and over here you can select multiple wallpapers at the same time. So I'm going to select this wallpaper, this one, this one. Let's choose multiple wallpapers. Now I have selected 7 photos over here, as you can see. Once you have selected all the photos, select this tick mark option, and now you can see it is saying tap to preview. So if I tap on the screen, what it will do is it will change the wallpaper. You can see whenever I'm tapping on the screen, it is changing the wallpaper. But what you can do is you can tap on the wallpaper, you can resize the wallpaper however you like, and once everything is done, make sure that in this 3 dot option, on tap is selected. So if I select on tap, and this time if I tap on the screen, the wallpaper will change automatically. Again, you get this special scene option over here. If you want to turn it on, you can tap on it, and if you want depth effect, tap on 3 dot and select depth effect over here. So if I resize, you can see the time is going behind the car in this particular wallpaper. If I tap on it, for some wallpaper it might not support, as you can see. And once everything is done, you can simply select add option and select set as wallpaper pair. Now from next time onwards, if you tap on the screen, it will change the wallpaper like this. So these are the ways by which you can customize wallpaper in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.